Hello to all. I am here to share something with all you mommies and daddies sitting over there, and that is the BYJU'S subscription and welcome kit. 2 days before, we took this subscription from Kushal Sachdeva for our kit Crayons. And today morning, this amazing, beautiful and colorful kit arrived at our home. Let's see what all is included in this kit. After opening this colorful box, there is a beautiful greeting card. See, this is a castle and it has some numbers. There is some activity also. I will have to read the manual for it. Then it has the charger and this is the laptop stand. It has an Osmo reflector which is used for some activities which we will have to check out. So you can keep your laptop here. So you can keep this laptop like this with an Osmo reflector on the camera. Then these are the crayons. These are some special kind of crayons. And then this is the pen which you will be using on the books, the hard copies. These are some really colorful and fancy stickers. And this is the flashcard box which has some flashcard in it like this. And there are some questions, basic questions which we can ask our kid. Then come this Osmo rubber sticks and curves. It has some soft rubber sticks and some curves. This is used to make alphabets on the screen. Then these are the worksheets. There are 20 worksheets with very unique activities in each of them. There is match the following, puzzles and coloring, many things. Then these are the manuals in which they have mentioned how to use the kit and how to use the pencil and the reflector and everything. Finally, there are some gifts also. See, this is a fairy and this is a card. This card will be loved by Crayons. Amazing, isn't it? So if your parents want to gift something to your kids, or if you want to gift something to your nephew or niece or grandson or granddaughter, then according to me, this BYJU'S subscription will be a very great option. I'll keep posting about how to use this kit and how the kids enjoy learning.